Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Tilly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow my business page, Tilly's Talking Chalk. Check out my VIP group, Tilly's Talking Chalk VIP. And you can also find me on Instagram and YouTube under Tilly's Talking Chalk. If you would like to see any of my finished pieces, go to tillystalkingchalk.ca. There you will find the business sites as well. So let me just get this where I need it, where people can find me. Make sure this is turned down. Hey Sam, hey Ryan, how are you? You guys jumped on real quick today. All right, let me see. What has everybody been up to today? We're halfway down our week again. Feels like time is flying. There we go. We got that all out there. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Oh no, family issues is not fun to have to deal with. So spread the word that we are live. Let people know. And we're going to fuzz the transfer. Keep in mind these are reusable transfers 8 to 12 times. Sometimes even more if you take really good care of them. All you have to do to take care of them is wash them before they get too hard. Our paste are removable on our chalkboards and such. Or our ink is permanent if you want something that's going to be permanent. If you are new to the page, say new. If you would like information on Chalk Couture, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about our Club Couture, which is our subscription box, hashtag chalk or club in the comments, sorry. So we're going to be fuzzing this. This is just putting a bit of fuzz on the back so that it doesn't stick too hard. I love the fact that you call this so relaxing, and it really truly is. I find the only harder part is because I'm live, so I'm a little more stressed about how it's going to turn out. If I was doing this by myself, I have nobody that I need to talk to, and I can just get it done. But this way, it's more fun because I get to talk to people. And, well, that's what this whole thing's about, right? I like making new friends. I'm just going to put this down. Oh, I got a whole bunch of my hair on here. That's not going to be good. So you want the fuzz on the green part, but you don't want it in the silkscreen part of the transfer because then the paste or ink will not go through it and it will wreck it. Also, you want to make sure that there's no bubbles so that it's not leaking and making a mess. Sorry, I'm a little particular about oh my gosh, I think that just made it worse. Hello everybody, I see more people jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. Even if you are on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know where you're coming from. Let me know when you've seen this. I know I come live 7 o'clock Monday through Friday typically, sometimes not on Thursdays only because I have my Toastmasters group. Okay, so I'm gonna lift up this one little part only because there's a little pebble thing that's right by the silk screen and I don't want it to wreck it. Oh, and then there's one on the R. Hey everybody. Those are just the places that you don't want it so that you can put down the paste. So today's going to be an easy one. I just picked my two colors that I've been using kind of constantly because they're more of a neutral color. The Couture Teal and the Eucalyptus. Hey Katrina, how are you? So I'm going to do the underestimate, all the words, I'm just going to do it that way, in the Eucalyptus, and I'm going to do the outer border in the Teal. I do have my squeegees here. These are the minis. And they're still pretty big. But the small one is about twice the size. It's probably both of them put together, so the minis are great. Katrina, are you still here with us? I'm sorry if I only just saw your message and you already left. So you just go and put it on here thinly, or you can blob it on for a bit so that it doesn't dry right away, because these will dry pretty quickly, but it is nice and creamy, so it doesn't dry too quickly on you. So as long as you're doing it in a decent paste with your paste, then you'll be fine. You just want to make sure that you get it all even, and you don't want like lines in it because that it's less of a nicer finished look if you do that. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'd love to answer them for you. I know I've gotten a few new friends over the last few days, so they might be jumping on and checking this out. But you can see how easy it is. You just pull it around. It's literally, all of our designers all say, if you can butter bread, you can do this. It's pretty that much. Pretty easy. I can't talk. See, words are harder than this stuff is. I've decided. You know what? I'm gonna, just because it is taking me an extra second or two, I might pull up the top part here. I'll do that part first. Okay, so I'm just going to do the paste and peel method. So I pasted that part, and I'm only going to bring it up from where that part was. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to finish the rest. If you want to join, it is $99 American or $127 Canadian. I will give you that much information. and you get like $300 worth of product in your first kit. So it's well worth it. Even if you just want to do this as a hobby and you don't actually want to make it a business per se, I have a few of my downline that are like that. They just wanted to make it something fun for them to do. Especially, I mean, thank you. Although you scared me, but there we go. Try it again. So again, I'm just going to try and peel around the words. You normally want to peel as evenly as you can, but we're going to cheat because this isn't sticking as hard as sometimes they do. And sometimes if you don't do it evenly enough, it will stretch your transfer, and you do not want that, because when you put it back down, it will not have the same design cleanliness, whatever you want to say. Again, I say words are hard. So there you go. Now we're just going to do the words with our eucalyptus, and then I will show you the finished project. It's pretty easy today, guys. Just don't want to get too crazy and end up messing it up. Getting it in where the teal is instead, or anything like that. Or bringing the teal into the eucalyptus, because I've done that a couple times. Not maybe with those specific colors, but mixing colors when I haven't wanted to. Although we do have a technique that we do, the hot mess technique, which is always fun. That's just blobbing a whole bunch of different colors in different areas and smudging it around. I actually really like that kind of look. Some people call it also marbling. That kind of look is always pretty, as long as you pick the right colors, really. All right, I think, just want to make sure I got that. All right, I think we're done. I think I'm just gonna pick this up, unless I get a random, you missed something. On which? The bottom word. Here? Oh, on the E. Yeah. I saw that once. Okay. Now, hopefully this didn't dry too quick. You didn't catch my B. No, you said my E. You said nothing. Silly. Well, you let me think that I got it. Don't mind me. I have my husband in the background that helps me, and we pick on each other all the time when I mess up. Because it's his fault and my fault all at the same time. We blame each other, and it's really fun. We're just going to stick that there. And that's how cute that came out really quickly. Give me some hearts and thumbs ups if you like it. Unfortunately, this board is retired, so I wouldn't be able to get you this board. But there are many of other boards. If you want, you can go check out the website. And there's, oh gosh, I couldn't even tell you. There's over 200, I think, transfers, and then the boards and the pastes, and we got way too many colors of paste and ink. So yeah, that is my project for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like I said, give me a thumbs up or a like or any of that. Only good ones though, please. I want to be happy. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. I will not probably be live tomorrow. See you Friday. Bye, guys.